Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I'm going to draw Tulin from Tears of the Kingdom, Zelda. So I'm starting with a line for his bow, and that's his bow there. Constructing him up, a circle for the head, sort of like a shape like that for where his beak's going to go. One eye, two eyes. Then we've got his body, top of his body, and then another part for where his legs are going to be. There's his legs, and he's got, I'm just going to put like a little triangle piece there, that's where one is, and then he's got his other leg in behind there because that's at the back. Now we've got a wing that's going to come out and around like this. Now, at the moment you think, wow, this one isn't looking like Tulin exactly, but it pays to construct up your drawings. So that's the basics of Tulin here. I think that's pretty good with his head. Once you've sort of basically constructed it up, now I'm going to refine it. Now, because Tulin's a difficult character to draw, I'm going to draw in pencil, so I'm going to bring his neck down. This is his shape of his neck. Comes up, around like this. And he's got a piece that comes like a bow, a knot here, so I've got a circle. A couple of bits, that's where it's tied together. And then it comes down like this with a pattern. And he's got a bit that comes out this side as well. It's like a leaf shape with a angle there, and I believe it comes through the middle like so. Now I'm going to bring this part around. It's got like this belt that comes, let's bring this up and around here. It's like the fabric, and then the belt comes over the top. Like so, and then comes down through here. There's like this little ring where the belt goes through, comes around this side, and then it also comes back. It's got a section here where it comes back a little bit there, and it comes back up and around into here underneath his wing. This part comes around like this over his shoulder, and he's got these cool bits that come sort of off, almost like the cogs on a cog, but it's actually just some decoration pieces coming off there. Now let's draw his mouth. So we've got where his mouth goes. Now the top part of the beak comes down, points in, then around, and comes up, almost looks like he's smiling. This is the middle part of the beak. And then it comes down and around and up like that. Then we've got his cheek. Coming around where his eye's going to sit in here. Oval shape for his eye. This is where his other eye is going to be. Another line. Another line there. Got a pupil. Couple of eyebrows, one there, and then coming off his head he's got these feathers coming up like this. 1, 2, 3 main ones there. Then it kicks back. And he's got these other feathers coming out like this. Off his head. There's some more up in behind here as well. See a couple over this side, but not as many. So you don't see as much of that one or that one. And then a little bit that comes down there, and there's his cheek coming in. So there we've got his head and a part of his body. Now he's got this little bit that comes around up here, bit of a belt. Now let's draw his wing on. Come across. There's the top part of his wing. Then it comes out. Bring that around like so. And bring it around, and then there's lots of these little 1, 2, 3, and then they start to go back that way. Feather pieces, and then he's got a bottom section as well. Bump them around. There's one arm. Alright, let's bring he's got this piece that comes down here. It's like a part of his leather armour. Comes back up and around his waist like that. So through to his crutch and up and around there. Now bring this around like this. And it's got this pouch on the front, so let's draw that. There's the pouch. And he's got some laces, so a couple of crisscross lines for now. Double crisscross. Bit of a V line there. Now he's got this piece that comes around in front, that comes all the way around like this. Bring that around like that. And these have lots of like little triangular type patterns on there with some orange. Then he's got this little clip, and then this one comes around his leg there. Now see how I constructed that up? That's really making it much easier. Then on this side there's a little clip. Bring that around. That's part of his leg. And he's got this sort of piece that kicks around like that. And again, he's got some decorations similar to up here. We're going to do the same on this side, so bring this around like this, up, and then put some little rectangles in there to make it decorative. And then this is going to be his feathers into his leg. There's his leg there. Comes around. And he's got this strap that comes across his leg like this, or his foot, should I say. One big toe coming out there with the claw. Another big toe there with the claw. And then you see a little bit of the back of the foot. So bring that out. And then down here, I'll have the claw out there. And on this one, you don't see much of his, it's his leg. Comes up and into there. And then you'll see a little bit of this claw. And a little bit of this one. So 2 feet, but you don't see all these other details, they're tucked in behind. Now let's draw this wing. Again, start with that sort of shape. This one's slightly bigger because it's sort of closer to us, so it comes out. And then bring that up. 1, 2, 3, and then just keep on doing the major outside bits of the wing. Keeps bumping around like this. Bring it all the way around, and then he's got this other piece that comes bumps around here, similar to sort of this part here. And then he's got this top part that's a different colour again. Now let's bring on he's got like this arrow here with the feathers coming off it, one there and there, that's all like an arrow feathers. And this is his bow, comes up. What a colourful bow, how cool does that look? Bring that up to there. And these are all just different colours, so I'm just going to put little lines coming across. And then his bow sort of curves back that way. I'm just drawing the construction for that, and then it's jagged bits like this coming in. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. There's a piece here where the string comes out. Let's bring the string through there. You'll see it just behind his back, so make sure that comes all the way through. And he's got this like I don't know what you'd call it, a bow holder on the back of his. There, that comes through, and you see all these stripy bits till about here. That's the hole that the string goes through, just similar to this hole up here. This is where it kicks out like that. 1, 2, 3, and then 4, and then this sort of has a curve coming down. Now let's bring his bow container base down into here. You see a bit of. There we have Tulin. Now that's a pencil drawing of Tulin. I'm going to go over that with a black pen, 0.3 now, to refine it all up.